Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah. We got 4 minutes to get this shit right. Hold on a second. So, just taking a look. I gotta keep these up here. I finished my trade journal yesterday. So, price did stay below the daily, which is a good thing. Kind of used this IOC as resistance, and fell off again. But what I'm seeing right here is at least a bit of a push, but what I do like, this low was broken by this low, so that's a good thing. Let's see if there's any move right here. Got 3 minutes till open. See, it's pretty much engulfing this right here. I don't really see a move besides a possible, see, support, resistance. I don't really see a move here that's too clear for me, except for maybe a sell right here, but there's a lot of shit going on right there, so I don't really see something right there. Let's take a look at this shit. Okay, this looks okay. A little bit more cleaner in my opinion. 50%. It's not a big IOC. I don't know if I take it from there, but we also got 56. This one right here. It's just more of an 80 or 78%. I like this move a little bit more. Golden zone. Zoom out real quick. 1 hour. Yeah, I think we should see a continuation down, especially here on this move. This low. Didn't necessarily break that low though, but this one over here. But I do think we should see a push up at least to this area. So let me go back to the 15 minute. We got the EMA in here, which is a good thing. We got a couple 1 minute to open. I think I like this move a little bit better. Let's see what a stop loss looks like in here. That's actually not too bad where we need like a 60 pip stop loss. We know over there on the other, let's say a 70 pip stop loss if needed. But smaller position here, bigger position up here. Let's go to the 5 minute. Yeah, give or take. And I think this is the low right here. I think we could take it at least to this level. Probably farther. But we'll get there. All that matters is that we get through the mud right now. It's about to start, so let's get it. Got 6 minutes till open. Let's see what it gives us. Big push up or big push down? Oh, big push up. Holy shit. I didn't put nothing in yet, but I don't know if I want to put one. Oh. I put something in. I put a sell in, but I don't know if I like it. I have a sell in. I'm actually up a little bit. Never mind. I put another one. Small. We're in up here, but I don't know if I like it necessarily at this. I'm in right above here. I don't know if it's gonna respect where we're at though. Guess I'm in at 170, 170 and one. Oh shit. I don't know. Let me see. Oh no. Dog. I'm a fucking idiot.
What?
on, guys. Let me get out of this NAS. Damn, I have a solid in it. Fuck, look at that shit, dog. Holy shit, bro. I'm up like 100. Damn, it might just come up on me. I should have just took the money. Fucking idiot. Oh, no. That shit looks like it's flying up. Hold on. So, I think it should still come down if I'm looking at it right. Looking at these numbers again, we need unemployment rate to be higher, and we need this to be lower, and it's not. So I think we should expect at least. I think I'm going to just take profit right here. Yeah, it's still rejecting this area. I just closed a 0.05 right there, or 0.04, so I have a 0.01 runner. Honestly, fuck it. I'm cool with that shit. Stops to break even. Damn, I'm an idiot, dog. I got lucky. I got super fucking lucky, dog. Super fucking lucky. Man, my bad, guys. But it is what it is at this point. Just yet. What am I up? Yeah, I'm up about 120 pips right now. 112, 110. Most of it at around. Most of it around, right around 124 pips. We'll see if it comes down, but the way it looks right now, it kind of looks like it's going to go up. You could see it kind of swooping up right here. It does kind of look like it's going to go up, but I just like that this is a daily level, and it's rejected it, came up, rejected it again. So I think we have a good chance to reject it again, but if this daily wasn't here, I probably would pull my trade. But since the daily level is here and we know that it's been respected a bunch of times, I'm going to leave my 0.01 runner in there and then we'll see what happens. I mean, like I said, fucking 300 pips from 1 minute. Yeah, it jumped up. I seen it. See, this has to finish way down here to make it a righteous move right here. All this is support, 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 support. And if we zoom out, let's say to the 5 minute, let's see if there's any resistance. Yeah. Resistance, resistance, resistance. So this is a key area right here, right? Now it could come down or it can go up. I think the news is going to show us that it's going to come down, right? I'm not too sure the effect this has on the market, more than this number. And this number is supposed to be higher than that number from what the Fed wants. Job growth expected to have cooled in December, but not enough to slow Fed rate hikes. Yeah, so see, they need this to be lower, and they're still going to need to increase their rates. Uh, Damn, that shit's still going up. Look at it, is going up. Look at that. And then we know it's going up kind of because it's just using this area again. Or it could go up because of this area. Look at how strong this zone is. Before it wasn't broken, then it finally broke through it. Once it got back on top of it, this big push up, used it as support. Boom. Came up again, used it as support. Boom. Came up again, used it as support. Then it flew up. Possibly could go even higher. But it's daily. Something about that daily level. Yep, look at that. Came up again, rejected it. Man, fuck, that was kind of scary though. I could have ended that. So imagine you put in a trade on NAS, like, alright, I'm in. And then you look at this shit, it's like, oh shit, I'm on this shit too.
Oh, yeah, both of them.
I have both of them. So I just closed NAS. I've done it once where I made money on NAS and US30, but I wouldn't do that shit often.
You wouldn't buy it.
Definitely not. I mean, it's basically staying stagnant right now. It could go up, it could go down. We'll see what it does. I mean, I'm up $87 right now, which is, or $90, $91, which is the pip amount, and that pip amount is going to be, crucial. Let me see. Yeah, that can end bad though. Yeah, that wasn't necessarily a good one, but you guys could see it's kind of using this support, 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 support. Farthest it came down was to tap the 20 EMA. As soon as it tapped it, rejected it and pushed up. So, I mean, I could see it moving up now that it broke these highs. But again, this daily R2S right here is a strong level. So I don't know if it'll break it or not, but you could see that price broke above these lower highs right here. So it could be a breaking structure. Who knows? I wouldn't count on it, but it could be. And maybe we're just seeing a big retracement back up to these levels. Yeah. That was funny, dog. I thought I'd seen a buy. Yeah, it's making its way up. So if it does break this, I have my stop loss, I think 5 pips or 10 pips in the profit. So I should be good to where it doesn't take any money from me. I have it 10 pips in the profit, so 8 pips. So should be okay. If it does come down, I'd like it to come down here, at least to the next level, which would be cool, 400 pips. But we'll see. It still has to respect this one daily R2S, which is somewhat is. Look at that. Okay, 8 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, U.S. stock futures rally after jobs report. Yeah, see. Oh shit, it's breaking it. See if he gets through it. Yeah, I don't even want to put nothing else in here because it looks like it's going up. I was thinking of putting a sell in, but I don't want to mess up the profits. I'm happy to just make this move for the day. If it takes me out, it takes me out. See if it breaks back under it or stays on top because, yeah, it's about to take me out right now. And it just did. Oh, oh, not yet. But it's about to. Damn, that's crazy.
Fuck yeah, that is.
So, today was a bit of luck. I ain't gonna lie. That was definitely a bit of luck. Um, yeah, that was a bit of luck. I mean, it is what it is, but hey, shooters gotta shoot. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the reason I had this sell limit in here was because of yesterday's trade, and I had it at this area right here, right? This IOC. So look at if we drag this out, I'm sure this is gonna be right where price rejects, and that's where I was looking for the sell off yesterday. If you were on with me yesterday, so let's just drag it out and see if that's where it rejected it. Boom. Look at that. Came up. Boom. Boom. This is the area that I was looking to sell off from yesterday. So it did work out a little bit, but I think I was up a little bit more. So basically got like 124 pips off this shit before we got stopped out at break even. And again, that's why I don't like to hold trades too long. Just because we know that it could possibly do this. And this big push up, the way it finished, it did look like it could make its way up. So, I mean, yeah,
It's still going up.
yeah, I think it can make it all the way up here. Shit, farther than that too. I think it can make it all the way up here to this golden zone again.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Or this little red line. I wouldn't mind putting a salad in right here. You know,
Shit's up 120 pips and everything.
way more. From this area, 915 to 215. That's 300 pips though.
It's at 250 right now. 247.
Gonna buy in that bitch or what?
It's not bad on
No. So you're on. Let me see.
US fucking 30.
Oh, okay. Look, it just tapped that area.
Gang that fool. If I would have bought way down there when you're saying to,
Yeah.
I'll get my jump. I was like,
But see, I would always tell you this, because I had to learn the hard way. Don't ever buy a bear market, which is a downtrend, and don't ever sell in a bull market, which is an uptrend. Don't ever go against the trend. Trend is your friend.
interesting.
So as soon as it touches this red line, I'm gonna put a small sell in, just a small one, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. But it has to touch this red line up here, this one.
If it doesn't,
I mean, it could just fall off from here. Look at it. Look at as soon as it touched that box, what it did. Just a quick rejection. Boom. That lets me know sellers are somewhat in here, but not enough to hop into the trade.
yeah.
I'll step up, I get got.
So as soon as it hits that red line, You're gonna put in a sell.
Yeah. Well, let me see first because that shit's kind of flying. I kind of did not, so stay away. Scheme, plot, plot. Still didn't hit it. Got close. Didn't hit it.
Can you get past that red line?
Yeah, it could. It could technically go up here to this box, which would probably be a little bit more clear, but I think this line's got a lot of respect, so let's see. But hold on before I do that. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's about 70 pips, so I'm going to keep it small. Greg. See how this finishes right here. How many seconds it got left? 10 seconds. See how this finishes right here. See if it gets another rejection up here. Seven pips away. Damn, I just put a little salad right now. Tiny one, 0.02. But it has to break this. So we're in the trade now. Small position just because I don't know. Shit's pushing up, but I think the news was bad for what the government wants. So let's see. So I'm in a sell now. Let's see if it can break through all this because this is a lot of shit that it has now. And I have a red line right here at 223. So it's kind of using it as support. So right here I have a red line on my MT4. Not sure from what, but I do. Oh, I know from what. It's just a key area, so we gotta be careful right here. See, I like that it made this big 20 pip drop, but also we gotta be mindful that, see how it was support, 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 kind of pushed up here? I don't like that. So we gotta make sure that we see it kind of come down. Exactly, so I'd like to see it break below here. If it breaks below here, then we know that there's a continuation down. But up here, we know that it could stack because it's using this area of support. So okay, finish here. Next one, stack up, and get back up here, which I don't want. Just like that. Let's see if it can fall off. See, what it did here is it knew what it was doing. It says, all right, let's get these sellers that are coming in right here, get them trapped, and then once we got them trapped, we'll make our push up. Let's see how much I'm down. I'm down $20. It's not too bad. I'm only down 10 pips, 0.02. But like I said, I don't know how much I'm willing to lose. See, it's breaking through this line now, which is pretty, like for me, it's obvious now because it used this as rejection, came down, used this as support, and it's just continuing its way down, or way up. Big candle, engulfing candle, engulfing candle. Let's look at the 15-minute.
And it should just shot up.
Yeah. So with this 0.02, I'm willing to risk about $160. Actually, I'm not really willing to risk that, but I'm already in it, and I'm going to have to risk it because it's still valid for all this. You know, like the trade is still valid because of all this work right here. So we'll see what it gives us right now. So I'm down 113.
It's past that red line, no?
Yeah.
That shit's moving all the way
Yeah, it could just get me right now, so we'll see. I mean, technically,
Shit jumped up another 100 pips.
yeah. Technically, even this is still, you would need all this to make it invalid, but I don't think I'm gonna let it go that far. Um, just because I know that that's a long way up. That's an extra what? Fucking 80 pips. I can't do that. So we'll see. Still in the trade. See what happens. I like that rejection here, but it has to really follow through. And again, we might not see a move till 6:30, like a big move down. So you just gotta wait and see.
Take a big fall. 6:30.
It could, or it could take a big push. You never know.
So,
So you gotta remember one thing: you're going against the market, right? The market wants to take your money. There's winners and there's losers. Most of the time, the market wins. Just big banks and all that shit. So when they know there's a lot of sellers in there, they might do this and just fly up. You know what I mean?
yeah.
So that's where you got to be careful.
Like everybody's like, oh, it jumped up that. Everybody put your cells in.
No.
And they
Like
jump it up again.
there was probably a lot of sellers. Remember yesterday? Or well, yesterday I told you that it flew down and then I hopped in.
Uh-huh.
This thing. And then so there's other times where I put the trade in just before and I'll be like, oh, it's gonna sell. It's below here. Blah 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 blah. It's gonna sell. Imagine I put a sell right there and it flies up like that.
Yeah.
That'd be all bad. But getting respect there, I like it. See what we get right here. Because I'm worth $1 million, $1 gazillion dollars. Yes, indeed. To break the steering column on your Impala. Father, light gold. It's coming down a little bit here. See how it now used this line as resistance, support. So we don't want to see it have too much of rejection right here. If it comes down and rejects this again or this pushes up, then we know that there's a good chance it could go up. But I like what it did here. Rejected it, got in here, got out of here, did a little retest, got out of here, but still a big uptrend. Price is still moving up. And again, we don't have to see it come down possibly till 6:30, or we see it come down now and see a big push up at 6:30. So I think those are two of the options that we have. But it looks like it's possibly has to break through this red line right here. If it doesn't, continuation up. So how I'm trading right here is really called price action. All I do is go based off of my zones and then how price reacts, what these candles look like. So this is cool, I like it, but it has to finish through here. If it finishes like up here, it's no good. See, that's
because that means it's gonna go back up.
It could. There's a chance it goes back up. Like this is a cool finish, but I would have liked it to come down more, to give it some more space to come up and tap this line and then come down. But see, now it's easy for it to just get back on top of this line.
Stay up there.
Stay up there and then start building, stacking. Because look at, simple, right? There's the 1 minute chart, but higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, maybe. You know what I mean? high, higher low, and it can just keep going. So see, and then once that matches that, there's 15 seconds left. If it stays matched up like that, that's not a good thing in my opinion. See, I don't like that candle. That candle was too big right there. It fully engulfed this one, and now it looks like it's gonna
Shoot
come
right
up.
back up.
It could, but
Sheesh.
damn, look at that shit. See if it rejects it again. Honestly, I might put something in right here.
We put in a buy or so.
So, have a better position. And now the risk is on.
Now we risk.
I mean, it could fly up on us. You know what I mean? This is just a better position right here. So I have one in. It's actually about right there from what I've seen. And then I have one in right up here somewhere now. So this position's better. And if we see a big push down, you know, we got what is this? 40 pips on top of this position. So this 0.02. So we'll see what the market gives us right now. If we could see this thing come down, that'd be great. But it could fly up. So you never know. But I think this position, I'll probably, we'll see. We'll see how I'll treat this position. But I don't like how it's stacking. Definitely don't like. My stop loss is going to be bigger for these positions. So we'll see. I'm just trusting my area. I'm trusting that the news was bad and that, you know, I don't. So basically, what it is we know that as of now with this news, that rates are still bad. So, I mean, not rates are bad, still bad. Obviously, they're bad, but with this news, we know that rates are, there's no slowdown in these rates. So, no slowdown in the rates. That means most people are going to get taxed crazy, especially, you know, pulling out their shit. The market's just not going to be as good for businesses, for homeowners, for all that, right? So I'm expecting price to come down. And I think this should get about as high as it gets. Nice little rejection right there again. So let's see. Look at that. Another rejection at that level, though. So what I would want now, so one thing I see right here is I see a little trend line forming on this 1 minute, right? Rejection, rejection. If it rejects it again, 1, 2, 3, then I think we have to know it's probably going to come up. But if we could see it break through here, break through this trend line, break through this level right here, then I think we're in business. But it has to break through here. If it doesn't and just tops it and rejects it, then I think, you know, maybe 6:30 is the option, which we're about 30 minutes away, but we'll see right now. See, I don't like that necessarily. We got 36 seconds though, so let's see if it can go our way. Time is it? 6:02. Let me see how the last 5 minute finished. Yeah, I mean, that 5 minute didn't finish the way I would have liked it to. Because, see, they're still moving up, so another 15-minute finish pretty strong. Hoping to see a bigger rejection, but both of them did. Hmm. 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 See, now it's making its way up. Go back to the 1 minute real quick. Yeah, see, 1, 2, 3. I don't necessarily like it. What it might do is get all the sellers out early, like myself, all the early sellers. What I'm thinking could happen is get us out before New York Open, and then once New York Open hits, make its move. Um, I got small positions in here, so 0.02s, so it's not too bad, but um, we'll see right now. Let me go to. Oops. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot. Yeah, look at it. Remember that line that we extended yesterday?
Yeah.
Look at it. That's what it went off of today. Boom. Flew up. So remember, I was expecting it to break through here. But look at what it did. So remember, this is the shit that we had yesterday. Right? It broke through here, so I was expecting a continuation down. Boom. Got back on top of this resistance to support. After it broke through it, got back on top of it. Boom, pushed up. So actually now I kind of think that we could see a push up to here. Or maybe we see this push up here and come down. We'll see. This shit just started, right? Yeah, 5 minutes ago, so. And then it says we have news at 7, right? Yeah, we have PMI. Purchasing managers excluded. Wait, what is this? Um, Above 50 indicates industry expansion. Below indicates contraction. So I think if this is below, that's a good thing. That's a good thing.
How come?
Because we need to see contraction. And if it's above, that's a bad thing because we need to see contraction. So yeah, there's big news at 7, so it's probably waiting for that too. 6:30 open, 7. Maybe. Oh, look at that. Now it's kind of breaking through it. Now we got to break through here. Well, it kind of didn't break through it yet. I could still push up because you can see a little bit of support. So always look for that, dog. Always look for an area where you see support, resistance, support. Nah, so that's different. The higher high.
That's the bigger candles, no, like the.
No, so you got to see them on all the time frames. So we're on the 1 minute, right? And we see higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, or higher low. But what I'm saying is straight across. So right here, resistance, right? As soon as it touches this line, resistance. And on this side, support, right? And then let's see if it doesn't support, right? Because we know this area is resistance and support. And we got the 20 EMA right here, so that's another thing, you know? So the 20 EMA right there, that's something else that we have to worry about along with this. So this is like a triple whammy. We got the 20 EMA to be used as support. We got this red line to be used as support. And, well, double whammy. So we got to see it break through here. If we could see it break through here, I think we're in business, at least a bit, to make it down here into this zone. But it has to break through here. If it doesn't, probably come up, start bullshitting till 6:30. Let's see. So our top positions are in up here, right? Did you put a silent up here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so top positions are in up here. I got my top positions in there. I think, yeah, so we're up damn near 50 pips. My top position. I think I might just close this position down here, if I'm being honest. Still hasn't broken this. This EMA is still being respected, so it could still go up.
Here we go. Down 60.
I just closed this bottom position, so I just closed it. I didn't want to deal with it, but we're up pretty big now on these top positions. Look at that. Where my entries are at. Boom and boom. Right up here.
I had like 302?
302-ish, yeah.
Oh, that's nice. 302.
I'm in at 309 actually.
And then 302.
So it's coming down right now. I'm gonna probably take a little bit of profit at this area because we know this is a strong zone right here. So I'll probably take a little bit of profit just to secure something. $70. So now I have a 0.03 in here. I have 1.02 at 309 and 1.01 at 300. So I'm going to move my stops to break even because we're already up 80 pips and 70 pips. So I'm going to move stops to break even. And when I say break even, about 5 pips in the profit. So 5 pips in front of your position.
Sorry.
This kind of looks good, but now, right? Resistance, support, support. Let's see how this one finishes. Let's see if it can use this area as resistance now. This area, this area. Let's see if it can use all this as resistance and come down. I'll probably take another 0.01 right here at this area. So about 120 pips. I'll probably take another 0.01 if it makes it. Might not make it, right? Look at that big push. The reason, support, support. This is the reason I took profits at this area. It's because I knew it could do this. And that's really my issue is a lot of people, a lot of the professional traders, they hold that shit all the way through, right? They'll hold this shit all the way through to their take profit. I guess I'm not there yet. Me, I'm like, oh shit, it could go up from here. Let me take profit. Oh shit, it could go up from here. Let me take profit. So I'm a little bit different in that sense. There's a bunch of trades where I can make, $5,000, but instead I make 1,000 or something, It's just I don't hold them all the way through to fruition. So this will be the next TP. Second TP will be right here. We'll see what happens. See, okay, so look at, I don't have my rules in front of me and I forgot for a quick second. But look at, there's this thing, right, that I learned. So market structure is one of the most important things you could use. Oh, shit. I need to go get my shit. Hold on. Yeah, that thing's coming down, but look at consolidation, which is just up and down, up, down, up, down, right? Consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation down. That's an actual thing. Like it's market structure. Like I've seen it happen. I made money on that shit before. So consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation down. So just be mindful of that. Consolidation, expansion up, tracing. Oh, consolidation, expansion, reversal, tracement, continuation. So let's see if that happens. Kind of seeing it right now. But price still isn't really dropping below here. It's respecting it. It's not making its move down. It's still using this area as support. Thank you. See, remember I told you guys I have a line right here at 223.39, which is essentially right here. It's a little bit lower than these, but it's basically right here. And price is coming up on us. Damn. See, I was hoping it would break through. See if it can use this as resistance again. If not, remember, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Still make its move. Yeah, I might be waiting for 6:30. Who knows?
I was a high thinking this like, let's do some itch ass behind the computer like this. Got it.
Nah, what it is? Maybe that is how it is. You know what I mean?
I love you know what the Rothschilds are like. Let the kids play.
That's what they do, Doug. It's banks.
That's what I'm saying.
But it's money, so it's money being put into the market or money being taken out of the market. So, and that's who you're going against. So, like, I remember the guy who I started learning with. He'd be like, "All right, we're institutional traders. That's what we are. Why are we institutional traders? Because we trade with the banks. So you don't want to trade against the banks. You want to trade with the banks. Don't trade against the market. Trade with the market.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, you know, you can't beat them.
Down, you go down. If it's going up.
Well, not necessarily, because how do I trade? When it's going up, I look for a sell for it to come down.
Yeah.
I look for key areas of reversal. I think a lot of traders make a mistake of, oh shit, it's going up. Let's put a buy in. You know, and that's cool. Like, you can make money that way, but I like, all right, the bank is looking for a reversal right here. That's what I expect. Right? Boom. Bank is looking for a reversal right here. That's what I expect. Boom. You know?
Yeah.
So, I don't know. See though. Looks like this shit's coming up because now it got back on top of this red line. What did it do? Use it as support. And we still got 15 minutes till open, so technically it can still just come up and take us out and come down. Which I hate. I have my stop loss set. That should have come up, take you out of your positions, and then fly right back down. See something. Oh, wait, look at this shit. Let's look at our follow. He's on MetaTrader 4 on the computer. Look how much he's up.
It is not what it was doing earlier. No, earlier it was like, it would go to 120, then 90, 75, and, you know?
Yeah.
Damn, your shit will die that fast?
Yeah. I fucked that because I leave it on the charger all the time. Oh, I like that. Came up here, rejected it. Look at that shit. This was at 287K this morning. He put a buy in right here though. Where we put in sales. So he had a buy in. He caught this move up.
He was like, yeah, boy.
Look at that. 92K on one position, 93K on another, 45 on that one, 59 on that one.
That's him?
Yeah. Sorry, that's one. Oh no, that's not today. It's probably from another day, but
Still hit that.
that's not. 300K out the door, homie. That's how he started the year.
That's somebody's whole year right there.
Sick. I was on some other shit, I'm telling you. Hold on. Where's Q?
All my traders out there have to pretty much.
Look at this, his profit page. $138, 138, 78, 300, 150, 200. These are one-day trades, so.
I know. I'm paying attention. I'm getting that. You see, that's what I'm tripping out on. I'm like, he does his trade for, and guess what he gets to do? He gets to go talk about other things in life, like cars. Go, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, now this dude's on another level right here.
Fuck
Yeah, these fools are the ones that make me want to be like, all right, because I
See,
swear.
I want to be with a bunch of white men in a Ferrari. Like, did you know, talking about fish or something? Like, just some random shit. Like, just, like, what the fuck? How the fuck do you know that?
Yeah, I'm
That's
telling you.
pissing me off.
So I'm gonna be a homer.
I want to learn about fish by fucking white man. What the fuck?
Now look at
Yachts and shit. Like, yeah, this is called some shit in a yacht. Really? Wow. Next time you step into a yacht, yeah, this is a wow. So you've been in yachts before? Yes, I have.
yeah. I'm telling you, nigga. Now I broke that line. See how I broke this support now?
Okay, when are we gonna do the FTP trade or whatever?
I know. Shit, you tell me.
Shit, that's what I showed up at 5 o'clock today.
I know, my bad. I was taking a dookie. My stomach don't act right in the mornings.
Okay. I know, my I go to go get some socks for, and she's bent over all cracked open. Oh shit.
Dick.
What time is it? 6:21. Just know you gotta do a little quick editing.
Like an idiot.
Sorry about that, you guys.
Whoever's on here, my bad. Now look at, so I don't know what I'm talking about necessarily, but look at U.S. labor market is stronger than ever. This means more Federal Reserve tightening coming soon, which means that's not good. They don't want the market to be strong right now. They want it to be, they need it to go into a recession. They need it to come down. They need it. So, dick.
I had to leave, you know. Trading's more important. Spencer.
I want to see if there's another trader. Yeah.
But that's crazy. He's making $300,000 on one trade. He's making
Like those are astronomical numbers, right? But I'm saying like, yeah, those would be good every once in a while, but think about the days he doesn't show where he's like, ah, fuck it, reverse on me. I only made 5K today. I made 20K today, 15K today, 8K today. That's in those days. But that's what I'm saying. Those are his bad days.
no, that's not a bad day.
But those are his bad days.
A bad day is negative. You know
Oh,
what
yeah.
I mean? But that's still a great day. $8,000, $4,000. You know, that's still an amazing day.
Damn, this shit's still coming up, huh? I think it's just waiting for 6:30. Watch, it's literally gonna come up here at 6:30 and take me out. and then come back down.
I know it is. Yeah, because it's very slow right now.
Or maybe not. Who knows? I'm trying to find. See, this is what I'm talking about though. Like where people, I think where a lot of people mess up is like with trading. Like me, I'm going on 2.5 years now. Damn, that's crazy. I'm going on 2.5 years now. I'm at 2.5 years now trading. And, you know, I've heard some of these dudes, like, the dudes you find on Instagram, um, they traded 6 years before they were profitable, dog. They traded, 5 years before they were profitable, 4 years, 2 years. You know what I mean? There's all these dudes who trade that long, right? They're making 25K a day, 20K a day. You know what I mean?
Killing it.
Killing it. And I think where a lot of people fuck up is they take those initial losses in the first month, 6 months, a year, 2 years, and they're like, fuck it, it just doesn't work. Me, on the other hand, I'm like, what the fuck else am I gonna do? So that was the only choice I really had, like to make big money that I could think of. And I seen Raja Banks on Instagram. Look at what he put right here. 4 years of school equals 45K a year average, right? Like that's how much you're gonna have to fucking. That's how much you earn after 4 years of school.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's the average income, right?
What the fuck?
But 4 years of boring, disciplined, consistent work equals a minimum 250 a year. Like he's saying, doing this shit. Minimum 4 years of this equals a minimum 250K after 4 years. So that's what I'm saying. I'm like, shit. Okay, that makes me happy because I'm not too far from that. 5 minutes from open. I mean, we could we could see a big push up. We could. The market's strong right now. The news is good. I don't think it's good necessarily for what we want, but and just right now, I think possibly. I think we should see a push down. I don't think we should see a continuation up, but I am kind of seeing this now though. Oops. There's this shit called what is it called? It's fucking a bull flag. So it's higher, lower lows and lower highs, like that, and then it breaks out and flies up. You know what? I'm gonna just take some more profit. Fuck it. I'm gonna take some more profit there. Took another 70. Now I just have 1.02. With the other 0.02 that I had in there, basically I was able to make like another 140 off this little position. Now I have another 134 floating right now, and there's a possibility it flies up on me, but the entry is just too good, so I don't want to leave that entry out. But you see exactly what it's doing right here?
Yeah, we're not.
But it broke it, right? Once it gets on top of it, now I can use this area as support and push up. Close that thing right on time. Just a 5 minute gap. We got open coming up in 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. That's about right. Yeah, so this is called like a bull flag or a bull flag or a bull pennant or something like that. But this is considered like a higher high, higher low type of situation.
So right now, all you're waiting for is
The market's open. So the market's open, but New York opens at 6:30. It's like when the stock market opens, like a
New
big
York
bell.
time. Or
Yeah, well, 9:30 New York time. Yeah. So Wall Street opens up at 6:30, like the market
Here?
opens. Yeah, here. So that's why. So you want to get in it when it's the most volatile. Kind of making his way down. See.
You start that 302 position.
Mhm. I'm interested to see what happens right now. Is it gonna fly up or is it gonna fly down? Got about 45 seconds to open. So look at exactly what I said, right? Boom, it does this, and it breaks above it, gets on top of it, uses it as support, pushes up. I don't necessarily like that. All right, let's go, Tom. 15 seconds. Let's see.
That shit is moving.
Let's see.
Drop.
Still on top of that support level, though. Oh, is it coming? Right here on the EMA. So it has to get through this EMA, has to get through this, has to get through this. There's a lot of shit has to get through. Didn't get through it. Use it as support. Still using it as support. See, it's not finishing the way I would have liked it to. Looks like it's coming up. Oh. Oh. Now it has to break through the green box. Well, it still has to break through here too, but I think it did a good job of getting through it. But now it has to break this box right here. This green box. Oh, it didn't break it. Look at that. Rejected it again. Oh, it's coming down. Still got my .02 up here, but it's still not breaking that shit. Yeah, you'd be up 100 pips right now. That's a rack. Yep. It's still not breaking this. I'm gonna take some partials, .01 out of my shit. Oh, You had a .01 in there? Or .1? You know what? I think
There's a lot of game on here, people. Y'all ain't tapping in. Y'all fucking up, straight up. Cause I'm watching racks be made every day right here.
Simon Loco.
No cap.
What
This
is it?
is no joke.
You had a .1 in there?
Yeah, that's no joke.
Telling you.
That shit is no joke.
So it looks like I'm about to be stopped out right now. Good thing, you know, basically off of that one move, 70, 70, 70, that's 210, right? So I made 210 on this little move right here. I left another, I could have made, you know, we were up 200 pips or $200 right here on this position at one point. But yeah, it's making its way up. It was a bear flag. It was just waiting to hit this as a support level, but I think it could still come down, in my opinion. You know, maybe it's waiting for 7 o'clock to come down, but yeah, it stopped me out, break even. Let's go right here. Stopped me out at break even right here. The biggest position I was able to get was like 70 pips. But shit, 70 plus 125, that's damn near, you know, 200 pips right there. Yeah, that's smooth. Yeah. Yeah, telling you.
That's stupid.
Still a good day. So I think I'm gonna just call it right there. Yeah, fuck it. I don't think there's anything else we need to do.
I did 232 pips.
It's a lot. It's a lot of pips.
And 265 was the.
So I was thinking about putting a buy in there too. I mean, I'm out of the trade now. That shit's flying up. I think I'm gonna just call it. I mean, there's not much else to do. I don't want to trade and risk any more dollars. The more you trade, the more you risk. That shit's flying up though. Look at that. I was thinking about buying it because
This over here.
Now this. So it basically went up like 200 pips in 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It's crazy. Right. From here, 185 all the way up to 358. So 170 pips. So imagine if you put that buy in right there. In 4 minutes, you're up 170 pips. Look at sellers came in quick right now in this area. Damn. And see, remember what I was telling you about people who do breakout trading?
Which were they?
So they wait for price to break above this high, right?
Mm-hmm.
So look at what happened. As soon as price broke above this high, woohoo, yeah, we're gonna ride this up here, and then bye, fuck you. Nah, for real, look at that shit.
I see it.
So look at, you get in right here, right? As soon as price crosses this level, you get in. Then you're like, all right, I'm gonna put my stop loss like fucking right here, you know? What do they do? Fucking woohoo, we're up. And then bye, fuck you. Just come back and reverse on you. I think it could come down. Look at that shit. No way.
That shit just dropped right now.
I told you that shit was gonna come up, take me out, and drop down. Didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do it.
I did. As soon as you said that motherfucker jumped up, it's gonna drop down. Where it jumped up, I bought to sell. That's fucking just dropping.
Damn, dog. So listen to myself.
I listened to you. You said,
Look at that. Right at my key level at 362. Hit that. Reversed. Son of a biscuit.
sorry, like that shit's gonna be reversed. You saying it's reversed, and that means I'm gonna make money, right? That means
Yeah.
ain't no money to it. You know what I mean?
And look at today, we're risking what? Basically, like not even $10 a pip. 0.2s, 0.02s. I didn't risk shit, dog.
Same with like
0.05s, so $5 a pip.
$8 a pip.
$8 a pip. Damn! So you put a sell in?
Yes, sir.
Fucking bitches. See, I hate when it does that shit. Comes in. I mean, I said it though, right?
I'm gonna be the one like right here where we're like, yeah. I mean, I would put a silent, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna be in the background like, yeah, well, I'm going to.
Dude, dog. Damn, look at that shit. Phil went up 170 pips in 4 minutes and came back 120 pips in 2 minutes. So that's why you don't do breakout trading.
I didn't. I just listened to you.
But I said that was gonna happen though. I said
you're like, this is what breakout.
Look at that shit. Oh, I'm fucking pissed.
This is what breakout traders do. They go do this and that instead of you, and then it comes down. Well, if a breakout trader is gonna buy,
wow, no fucking mamas.
That's good. Huh? Look at it. That's straight. That's how you do it. You just
look at this guy right here. You ready? Listen. Look at this guy. I don't know where my camera's at. On the. Look at this guy. The fucking grasshopper is past the master.
Hey, Loki, I got no high school education, no junior high education, no elementary school education.
Dog, I'm fucking pissed. What did I? Oh, you know what it is? Look at consolidation. Remember I said it down here? Consolidation, expansion, reversal. Look at this. Consolidation, expansion, reversal.
If you rewind this tape, you're going to hear you keep saying that, oh, it's going to reverse. What they're going to do is going to go up, it's going to reverse.
Fuck you! Dog, I hate when that shit happens, bro.
That's good.
I'd hold that shit for like another 50 pips, too. Oh, no, right here, you got to take some profit, dog. Because you're at the daily. I'll take like a 0.01 out.
Fuck, I'll take it all out. Start over again. If I'm up, if you really thought about it, if that was 10 pips each, Dick, I'm up.
Right here. This is where you take it out. Boom.
Dick, I'm up 5 bands right now. If I was fucking,
yeah.
Then I would take it all out and call it a day.
Well, look at, with the FTMO, that's just, you know what I mean? The FTMO will just 10x it. So instead of a 0.01, you have a 0.1. Instead of a 0.05, you have a 0.5. Instead of, well, I've never had a fucking 0.5 in there either way, but yeah, start there.
And just do it fast. Like, oh, okay, cool, we made 2 G's. This I ain't trying to make nothing else.
Yeah. I'm saying. But I don't want to do that though. Me personally, I want to be like, I want to scale up. Like, I don't want to make 2 G's off a 200K account when I'm making a G off a fucking 10K account. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but is what I'm saying is like, hey, Dick, we're up 2 racks. I'm just gonna take this shit off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. All right, I still got weed to trim. I still got plants to grow.
Telling you. See? Look at what it did,
This
dog.
is 4 racks right here.
What did I tell you? As soon as it touched this, you got to get out of that bitch.
Yeah.
Rejected it. Now look at this coming up. Damn, I can't believe that shit did that. This is all I wanted was to take my profit right here. That's all I wanted. What did I say? I wanted to take it out right here. That's it. That's all I wanted.
So all you guys gotta do, people, is just listen.
Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3.
He said it was gonna crash once it went up. What do you call it when people do it? You know, the crash buyers, or what do they do? Where they buy when it's going up. Like, oh, it's going up, let me buy.
Those are called retail traders.
Yeah, retail traders. Okay, so
you don't want to be a retail trader.
No, but you said that they were gonna do that. And it was gonna crash on.
And it fucking did. I know. If I be doing that shit, I'm like, why the fuck didn't I listen to myself?
It's going down.
I'm not in nothing. I don't got shit in. I'm pretty fucking pissed, though. I'll tell you that much.
I don't know, people. If I had 10 pips, a chinga that I'd be up like 5 bands right now. I'm only up 500 though, which is a blessing.
That's crazy.
No way! Look at that, dog.
I don't want to look at it no more.
Look at it, Dick. That's like fucking $8,000 if it was. Think about it.
Dick, you only have a 0.03 in there. You're risking $3 a pip, and look at how much you're up.
I know. But that's what I'm saying. That $10
I'm fucking pissed, fool.
That's amazing.
Fuck, dog.
I'm already in the 600s. That's like 6 racks.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
I would take a .01 out right here though. For sure. Take a .01 and then let the rest go.
Negative .01, right?
Wait, let me see. Where's your top position? Top position is 326. Okay, yeah. So take a .01 out of that position. You're up 182 pips on that one. Boom. Now we wait for it to come up here. Hopefully reject this daily. If it doesn't, reject this IOC right here and come down. So we want something like this. I would like for it to come down here, but who knows?
What? He just taught me something today, people.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at it. I like that. Came up, hit this, and came down.
Still going down.
Yeah.
It just dropped 20.
Right here, I would take some more, dog.
24 pips and just dropped it.
And like 20 pips, I would take some more profit, dog. For like 10 pips, take some more profit.
It already dropped 10 pips. It dropped another 10.
Damn, boy.
Dude, this is like an easy, like an $8,000 day, my boy.
Look at it. Right there. Okay. Because look at it's hitting this area right here. So you want to take profit again right there. So now you're at 260 pips. With the .10, that's 2,600. With the .5,
on top of the 25 and the 22 that was just made.
Yeah.
Dang, that's like a $70,000 day.
Yeah. I'm telling you, dog. That's what I'm saying. I smell them days coming, homie. I smell those motherfuckers. I'm fucking pissed though. Every time I look at this stupid shit.
Dick, you said what was gonna happen the whole time.
I know.
You're like, as soon as it opens, these fools are gonna do this.
I know. Fuck. I hate when I do that shit and I don't listen to myself.
Look at that.
Damn, this was at 300 pips right now. Well, 274 right there. I don't know if you can see that. 280. Fucking pissed right now. Fucking bitches.
It's a beautiful thing.
This is the trade I should have been in, but I was too much of a bitch to re-enter.
But asking about me my money ain't scared.
You're at 300. Oh, no. Wait, how many pips are you at right now?
I'm at 295.
Okay, so that's about right. So he got in right here, which was smart. As soon as it broke this resistance, support, broke it. Whew. Damn, man. 300 pips almost?
320.
Let's see where the 15 minutes at.
I'm at the 15 minutes.
No, the 15 minute.
Oh,
yeah, so look at the 15 minutes right here. You can see it already rejected it. So be careful.
What?
300 pips is a lot, dog.
I'm at 312 pips.
You can close it if you want. Remember, you don't catch the whole move, dog. It's okay to catch them. But I mean, like you said, if you're cool with that, fuck it.
If it hits 300, when it hits this 300 again right now, I'm gonna get out and then just be like, "Dick, that's an $8,000 day." No, it's a $9,000 day easy off top.
That's what I'm saying. And we had minimal risk today, dog. Like we didn't put big positions in.
Nothing.
They weren't big positions at all.
We watched the news and won. You know.
I'm fucking pissed.
That was beautiful. I just closed my shit out.
There it is. Damn, I fucking did say that, huh? I was like, it's gonna go up in here, take me out, and then fucking come down.
So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $875. Dick, that would have been $8,750.
And look at how many minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes.
I'm not jumping on this shit no more about today. I'm done. I don't even want to look at it. Like, Off top. Ooh, like no way.
8 minutes, dog. Hey, well, you seen it here live. Motherfucker. I'm fucking pissed, though. I'm fucking pissed. Damn, and look at the US30 what it did. Remember I said it broke above the trend line? Look at what it did. As soon as it, didn't I say it was going to come into this area?
What are you playing on? What were you? That's that?
Nah, US30.
Yeah, what on US30?
But look at this is the 4-hour is what I'm saying. So look at the 4-hour finished up here, and then it was up here. Remember I was like, oh, I might come back up and touch this blue line, and then come down again, and look at what it did. Fucking jacks. That's crazy, though. That's crazy. Oh, shit. 47 views. Damn, son. Hey, appreciate you for hopping on, Johnny. Thank you. Hell yeah. We had a bunch of people on this bitch today. Look at that. 5 people. All them people were listening to you talk about spreading ass cheeks and shit.
They're like, he's talking about ass cheeks. Get on this live. He talking about it. He woke up and
thank you guys for